Horses out, we have Blushing Star. Pass to begin. Panahuna is running by Drell, moving a party outside De Vega. Fine performer. Promise comes next. Shuttlers, Treasures, Sobrang Class. And Adhika in is the early trailer. We have Panahuna by Abralain Kanehapa. Blushing Star is right behind in second. Fine performer is racing in third alongside Port De Vega. Shuttlers, Treasure is racing in fifth. Adhika in sixth. Promise second last and Sobrang Class trails the field by about 8 to 9 lengths up the pace. Panahuna by about 2.5 lengths. Blushing Star still in second. Fine performer now trying to get closer in third. Adhika in is racing in fourth. Moving up by Drell, Shuttlers, Treasure, De Vega, Promise, and Sobrang Class. And it's still Panahuna by about 2 lengths. Blushing Star remains in second. Fine performer in third. Moving up by Drell, Adhika in, Shuttlers, Treasure. As they come down at the last 200. And it's still Panahuna by about 2.5 lengths. Adhika in, Blushing Star moving up, Fine performer. But it's still Panahuna by about 4 lengths. Blushing Star, Adhika in, entering the finish line. It's your weather. Panahuna, second, Sobrang Class. Then comes Blushing Star, Adhika in.
Wala man lang pinakita si ano. Anyway.